Hey guys, it's Adam here from Zerocrat, taking a break from my B2B SaaS journey to show you guys how to cook these Taiwanese spicy noodles from Costco. I picked these up yesterday and the instructions made absolutely no sense, so follow along and I'll show you how it's done. Step one, you're going to want to boil some water. Step two, you're going to want to get your packet ready. You get these three things. Take the sauce packets, put them in a bowl, and then fill it up with hot water from your tap. There you go. And set that to the side to let thaw. Step three, get your noodles, put them in a bowl. Step four, this part is optional. I'm going to cut up some chicken from Costco and add it to the final product. While we wait for this water to boil, I just want to take a second to make this quick public service announcement for all the hungry small business owners and freelancers out there. Stop paying for spyware to handle your business accounting. Zerocrat is a privacy-focused accounting suite that's designed with zero-knowledge architecture, ensuring that all your business data is 100% confidential and only accessible by you and your team. Protect your business, your customers, and your proprietary financial flows today at zerocrat.com. Okay, so the water is hot. These noodles are already cooked apparently, so you just have to heat them up. Should only take a minute or two. I will just pour this over, let them thaw. And while that's thawing / cooking, I'm going to take the chicken, which is optional, and then throw these sauce packets over it. And once the noodles are done, they'll heat up the sauce along with the chicken. When the noodles are done, I'm going to actually add a little bit of the noodle juice to here, just to dilute it because the chicken is going to soak up a lot of this sauce as well. Stir it around, looking pretty good. Let's just do maybe 30 more seconds on that. So a total of probably like a minute and a half. Okay, this is 1/8 cup. Put a little bit of noodle water. You probably don't have to do this. This isn't required. It's not disclosed on the package that you have to do this. I'm just adding it because I have extra chicken and it's going to soak up a lot of moisture. That should be good. So I did about like 2 of these, which is like a 1/4 cup. All right, good. I'm going to drain these noodles. We'll just mix it all together. There you go, final product. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out Zerocrat.com. Bye.